The EuProGigant Open House Day brings together experts from industry and research.
We cover the entire value chain in manufacturing.
We work on solving tricky questions.
How can we make European supply chain more resilient?
How can companies benefit from the asset administration shell? How can you unlock the potential of multi-locational data sharing and data-driven business models?
And what role does Gaia-X play in all this?
Be part of the two-day event and meet the experts from the mechanical and engineering industry.
Cloud and IoT specialists,
as well as Web3 pioneers.
Explore manufacturing data spaces in the expo area.
Get valuable insights from keynotes and panel discussions.
and use networking opportunities to learn how you can contribute to an open and trusted data sharing economy. This year's EuProGigant Open House Day will be
inspiring,
connecting,
game-changing,
transnational
and unique.
I'm in.
And you?
See you in Berlin.